we incline to the view that the market's probably just a bit over enthusiastic at this time. And as the conversation shifts from, the obvious improvement in the viral data, people will soon start to notice the very obvious, decline of the economic data. And so I think we're midway in that shift. I think it's going to be much more prevalent as we get into this US reporting season. The banks such as JP Morgan and Citigroup have already had some pretty poor results. I think that was expected, but there's a lot more to come as we see one US business after another, and in other countries as well, report what are going to be pretty dire results.
Kingsley, hi, good morning. Tanveer also joining into this discussion. You're talking about selling in May and buying back in November. So essentially this rebound that we are seeing in world markets led by the US, you're not convinced by it and you would short the market?
Well, we do have, where it's possible for clients, we do have shorts on already. Most of that is to protect their positions that they may have owned for a long time. And, there can be a tax implication if they were to sell. But more generally, we would be sellers in May. I mean, obviously, we'll look at how the data develops. But I do think that the market's gotten ahead of itself. The damage from this will be, across the entire economy globally, and also will no doubt lead to some bankruptcies and some significant capital raising requirements on the part of a number of industries.
Right. You're also looking at higher oil prices in the long term. Could you qualify what long term means for you, and when do we see prices moving up?
Yeah, look, this is something that's a little bit of a contrarian view, but I think right now, of course, you'd have to be very brave to be buying energy companies, because we are seeing crude oil, West Texas, nudged below $20 overnight, and that's even after the big cuts from OPEC plus. So look, this really, Tanveer, is a story for what happens possibly in 2021, 2022. Our view on the oil sector is we think that there's going to be a wave of bankruptcies, both in terms of producers that were marginal to begin with, possibly in the shale area, but also amongst oil service providers, the people who do the well completions and the drillings and the like. That permanent loss of capacity, I think, is going to cause a problem with energy if we look out 2 years. We'll probably get a bit of a whipsaw effect where prices get very, very high to re-incentivize production growth. So that's a big problem looming on the horizon.
Hi, I'm Emily Tan, and thanks for watching CNBC. You can check out more of our videos by clicking on the boxes on the screen, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.